G'day, here's a deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's basically offcuts and a few rubs amongst it perhaps. Reels and millimetres, material's been wetted. We'll go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer so you can see a bit more detail. These were randomly scooped out of a bucket and then just upended onto this little table. Something like that, you just cut, polish the way it is probably, make it into a nice pendant. Other pieces, haven't got a lot in it. Bit of matrix. Bit of white potch from South Australia, I'd say. A little bit of Koroite. Just cut that the way it is into a shape. Bit more matrix. Bit of Koroite. Anyway, I think you've got a bit of an idea of what you're looking at there. Good parcel to start with, this one. Not very expensive. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.